Money is something we can earn, invest, save, spend, or lose. But we cannot use time in the same way. We cannot save our time to use it later. Even though we know that time is the precious resource we own, we spend most of our time to work for living. Instead of approaching living as an exchange of time, we can separate our earnings from time through passive income. Unlike active income, we can make money while we do other things like hobby or passion or just take a dream vacation if we earn passive income. Passive income starts by making an investment of some sort, including putting in the effort to choose the correct passive income stream. To make it easy for you, we have created a video that helps you to choose your passive income stream. Apart from that, you can find extensive training material for earning passive income on this channel for free. You can easily achieve your passive income goals without pain as we guide you through a step by step process. So, do check that video and also subscribe to Engine right now.